Conflict Resolution, the Leadership Team of Makers Inc. by Marilyn Espana. Managing conflict. First and foremost, managing conflict, we would like to start with limiting expectations. We work toward resolution without the expectation that everything will work just right. We also like to remember that conflict is needed to grow. By maintaining our patience with resolutions, we anticipate barriers. Anticipating issues help us to understand the barriers that might have needed beforehand in order to facilitate a resolution when it arises. Also, we must not forget to stay positive and flexible and not get too consumed. Work by working with people who possess good interpersonal skills. We resolve the conflict and maintain an easy workflow. Secondly, we like to mention the conflict style of compromising. In this style, one group compromises with the other to keep the peace. Being pushed to accommodate the needs of others is needed at times in order to compromise, weighing out the issues within the team. Negotiation and resolution. First, we separate people from the problem. Secondly, we focus on people's interests and not on their positions. We must invent options for mutual agreement and gain by driving an objective criteria for reasonable resolutions. Next, we have cohesion. Cohesion is information sharing, group identity, and competition. This helps the team build trust with one another, maintaining team identity as it is strengthened, allowing for fellowship. Building competition creates team momentum. So why is this important? Well, Dr. Bruce Tuckman created the forming, norming, storming, and performing team development model back in 1965. He later added adjoining, but today we are focusing on the first four, which are forming, storming, norming, and performing of group development stages. The first one, in forming, we are focusing on the individuals where they look to the leader for guidance. Secondly, we focus on storming. Here we compete and compare ideas for purpose and voice. Then we follow up with norming. Our mission here is defined within this criteria where cliques are formed within the group. Later, we follow up with performing. This is where collaboration serves the common goal. Last but not least, we'd like to mention the importance of emotional intelligence. Here, we can notice signs of low emotional intelligence when we see individuals who feel overwhelmed by emotions and that I feel highly judgmental of others or hold grudges for a long time. They also get upset easily and feel totally misunderstood. This also creates difficulty for accepting feedback. They don't ever want to accept feedback or be told what is wrong for growth within the team. So counseling here is suggested to maintain emotional health. Emotional intelligence maintains team flexibility, allowing for a strong team and regardless of life circumstances, which we all understand. Here we can hold each other and help each other at all times. Thank you.